on a Ram 1500. I have these towing mirrors that I didn't really use very much, and I decided to replace them with the regular mirrors. And in order to figure out what I need besides VIN number, part number, what kind of truck I have, I took the panel off and I wanted to make sure that my connections are same and working. And then I found what I needed and purchased it from Top Gear Autosport from California. I have received it today, came in this package, and I am gonna replace them. There is 2 individual boxes in the big box, and it says left and right side mirrors 312 501 is part numbers. These numbers were actually not maybe part numbers, but they are on the box, and that is how they identify these mirrors. There are 2 mirrors out of the box, left and right, and on one I have this connection, which is not same as what I had on my truck, but I verified it will work. I can demonstrate that in this video, maybe just a show, but both mirrors are good and I am ready to replace them. Before I start replacing, I wanted to verify is it working or not. Puddle light is working. The blinker light is working, and moving the glass is working as well. I have this passenger side all ready for replacement, but I'm gonna, for the sake of this video, do the driver side first. To take all cover off and show you how that is done. Tool that I need is 10mm wrench, pick for cover of the screw, and I need these plastic pry tools to take the cover off. Here is the cover that we need to take off with the pick to access the screws, and here is one more where the handle to open door is. Other one is behind this holder. Okay. Okay, I needed to pry this a little bit more carefully, but here's the idea how to take that off. Now we need to take these 2 screws off out with a wrench. Screws look like this, and here's one more that we'll need to take off. That's all screws we need to do. I already have 2 clips out. It is a little hard, but we need to pull and snap this like that and go around all the way, little by little, and take our time. Once we have all clips off, then we can take the lock out, and we also needed to take this control section out. We need to pry it from the bottom and take it like this. I could do this first, but it's okay now. And here are 2 connectors I need to take out. Okay, in order to take this out, here's a clip that we need to push in and pull. That's right. One last part is take this handle cable off. I'll need to use pliers to squeeze here and separate it from the door panel. This may be tricky a little bit, but we need to squeeze this end on the other side of the cable and push it. In order to show you, I need to use pliers. Take this cable out, pull it out, and pull that completely off. like this, and we are ready. Next step is take this plastic that goes all the way around off with these clips. Here's one we need to take out, second, and then go all the way around. Here are connectors, and the cable goes all the way around into mirror, and we'll need to take these screws out, actually nuts, and these are screws to free the mirror. Once I have these clips out, which I will need to transfer to new cable, all I need to do is put these clips here to take connectors out, and it's ready. I will not take it all the way out to not lose the mirror. I'll just loosen it up and then do it by hand while I hold the mirror. Here's this clip that I need to squeeze to free the mirror, like that, and I can take it out. Okay, I put screws and bolts back in, and they don't need to be too tight, just enough, but make sure that it's not shaking while we drive, and I check it, that's good. I remember where white goes and where black goes, but you can't really make mistake. You cannot put white in a B, it can go only in C slot, and this goes in the B slot. The new wiring didn't have these clips, so I had to untape it from old and use them, and it worked well. Looks cool. I'm ready to put back the cover. Input and cover will be in reverse order. First cable, do this door lock, snap all those pins in here, and connect the harness and put screws back in. Put this top piece on all the way around, clipped it here and here. Okay, all is done. What is important to pay attention is that all these clips clip in, and I will also just push a little bit in with somebody behind the door holding, but you need to make sure that they don't have vibrations. I connected the control section, covered the screws, and all is ready. I like the new look. It is good. I'm gonna do this other side now. It is gonna be easy because panel is already off, and all I need to do is take the mirror off, and without recording it will be much easier and faster. I don't need to record because everything will be same as on the driver's side. But I hope this will help somebody else. It helped me. I appreciate other guys who posted these kind of videos that I could learn what I need to do. Every truck looks like its own story, but most people go from towing to, from the regular to towing. I didn't like it because I like everybody to be able to drive in my family, and I will feel much better myself to do the regular mirrors, and I'll keep these old ones in case that I need to tow something. Like I said, I hope this helps somebody, and if you will have questions, comments, I'll appreciate them like always. Thank you for watching. Till next project. I just forgot to mention the Top Gear Autosport. It's good company. I recommend them. They are good and affordable. I will put this website of them in my video, and if you will need them, I'll suggest that you buy from them. Thank you.